Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween loaded tote or embellishment book swap. You could do either one. This one is from Julie. This one has my name, so let me open these real quick. But look at how cute they are. I love this like organza that she's used to tie everything on. So cute. And the tags even have like all the host and her information. So cute. So let me open these real quick. Okay, first off, this had my name on it. So she's created this little like stuffed pocket pouch. I can't remember who this one is by. Let me take all the stuff out so you can see it. I don't remember who this die is from, but it's super cute. It's probably Scrap Diva or Chaos Crafts. It might be something else, but usually those are the two offenders, right? That's who we buy from the most. But this is cute. I like this little loaded pocket because you could put this like on so many different things. So I might have to, she's going to have to tell me so I can get this. I think this is Miss Kate Cuttables. And I don't think it was last year's. I think this might have been like 2 years ago, this collection. I'm not 100% sure, but it is super cute. And I've seen it a couple times, but now I think I might need it. I think she might even have a digital of this. So if she does, I might have to snag it up. But I have this super cool pen. Love the little jack-o'-lantern on that. And then she's taken this tag. This is a Scrap Diva little ghost tag, and she's put it on a clip, and she had it on the bag like this. How cute is that? And she's got it on, I like how she's done it because it almost looks stitched, because I think she's done it. So we have cardstock, we have a layer of foam, and then glitter cardstock. But if you look at it, it almost looks like squishy. It almost looks like it's like material. I don't know how to explain that. Like a quilted kind of material, but that's really cute. I like that. And then she's got, what's in here? This little pocket ATC card maybe? Yes, how cute. I love her little pocket. I'm definitely going to have to go get this collection, I think, now. Oh, even her little eyelet is a little ghost. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's so cute. And here's our ATC card. She's got little eyelashes. And then on the back, I'm going to cover because she does have her address on here. She might not care, but she does have a little Etsy shop. Craft Designs by Julie. She's on YouTube. And she's got an April birthday, and her crafty styles, I like to try different styles, but I tend to do clean and simple most of the time. That is me too. And she loves pinks and florals. So cute. I definitely try to, craft outside of my comfort zone, but sometimes it's hard, and I tend to go to clean and simple. I have a hard time doing chunky layers. I try. And then I got this little bag topper over here, but look at these rosettes. These are so cute. I love getting rosettes that are like ready to go, ready to be embellished up, but these are almost too cute to embellish because this is a little pumpkin paper, and this is like a black and white checked. Those are so cute. So cute. And look at her little batty paper clip. And then she's done some spooky words here. I love that she's just put her bag toppers on with paper clips. I just did a 31 days of Halloween, and I definitely shopped my stash, and because I had a lot of like one-offs, so that's a perfect for like a one-on-one swap. And I shopped my stash, and I had a whole bunch of bag toppers, and most of them were put on with paper clips, so it worked out so well. But anyway, she's taken this one. I think this is a Scrap Diva die as well. And she's just done it as like her little base. And she's put all the spooky words on there. And they're foam with the iridescent paper on top. A little ghosty in the background. So cute. Thank you so much, Julie. And then here is her tote. How cute is this? I'm pretty sure this is a Scrap Diva tote. And I just love it. I love her she's made a little tulle bow and placed one of the ghosties inside. I just love how the ghosties have little eyelashes. Like, so cute. So cute. So we have some pretty Is this an embellishment? Oh, this is not a loaded tote either. I thought it was. This is actually an embellishment box swap. It does say on the tag, I need to read. So this is embellishment box swap. I'm so sorry, not a loaded tote. So, Julie, I am so sorry. So she's got her embellishment box. She's got this ghosty shaker tag. So she uses her fuse tool to go around the ghost and add sequins inside. How cute is that? And she's put it on like this ghosty right here. She's got it all blushed up and inked up. That is so cute. And it's almost like a little like clipboard style. That is so cute. And then in here we have this shaker, this pumpkin shaker. And she's got seam binding along the top. These bag toppers are so pretty. So pretty. And this one, like, she's got flowers on it, but you could almost use it inside out. It's double-sided paper, so it's really pretty. And then she's got little liquid pearls in this pretty gold. This will be so fun for like fall and the holidays. So fun. And then she's got this ATC card. I think it's probably just like mine. Yes, it is. So pretty. So we're going to put those back, and then we're going to get into her embellishment box. Put all the shred back in here. So here's her embellishment box. She's got this cute little dangle on here. And inside, let's see. Here we go, inside. So we have googly eyes over here, and we have, let's zoom in so you can see. And then we have these tassels. I'm pretty sure she's made these tassels. But they are gorgeous. Loving the colors. It goes very well with this collection, but this would also go very well with the Photoplay's little boo thing. They will go with Paige Evans' new one. I think Scrap Diva is coming out with paper. By the time you see this, it might already be out. I'm not quite sure when the release of it is, but the sneak peek looks a lot like all these colors. So very, very cute. And this little jar, she's got all kinds of little flatback spiders. They're so pretty. I love how, like, some of them have a blue tint. Do all of them? No, and some of them are more black. Are they all that color? No, they're all that color. So pretty. And then over here, oops. Let's pull this out. Over here we have charms. So we have, oh, look at this cute little, like, fishbone charm, but it's pink. That's so cute. I don't know if I've seen that one. We have some little moons, some hearts. These enamel ones, look at this, like a corally color. I've only seen this like one other time, but how well with these like pastel-Halloween type of collections it goes with, because it's like an orangey pink, but they're so pretty. We have a little cat that's pink, cat like on a stick on a moon. A purple heart. We have Boo. We have a black leaf and a black bunny and a black heart and a black flower and another little kitty bead or charm. Sorry, they're so pretty. Over here we have a big old lobster claw, so you're like ready to like beat it all up, right? We have this big old I think she's made this too. So this is a wood bead, and she's taken diamond dots and bejeweled it all. That is so clever. I would have never, I don't know why I would have never thought of that, but I don't think I would have. That is so fun. We have some little ghosties and some little bells. Julie, we're so clever, girly. And then in here we have all kinds of like flatbacks and buttons. Look at these pretty little star flatbacks. We have some buttons that are purple, orange, black. We have some stars. Oh, I like these little like glittery stars too. These glittery star buttons. Those are really cute. If you didn't want to use it as a button, you can like put a jump ring on here and use it as a bead or like a charm, but you can just snip these off with little wire cutters and they just come right off. You can use it as a little flat back. So cute. Over here we have all kinds of flowers. So we have flowers, and we have some rolled flowers. Die cut flowers. So pretty. Ooh, look at this gold one. don't know why that's like calling my name. That's a pretty gold paper. It's like a gilded. So yes, so pretty. Some are like they're ready to go. You can put whatever you want on the inside of those. Over here we have pom-poms, wow, of all different colors. And we have a skulls in this one. And then in here, she's already wire wrapped some stuff. So we have some wire wrapped skulls. I like the gold accents to them. And then she's got some wire wrapped little jack-o'-lantern guys. So those are ready to go for you. Don't even have to think about it. This was such a fun little embellishment box. So much fun. I can't believe I thought it was... She put it in a tote, and I automatically, when I opened the box and I was like, oh, I'm going to do this video, I thought it was a loaded tote. So sorry, Julie, but it's here now. It's here. So please make sure you're giving Julie some crafty love. Go check out her Etsy store and see what she's got over there. And we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.